The most difficult concepts for students to understand, because it's so abstract, is the idea of taking things apart. It's easier to do addition for them than subtraction, especially subtraction with regrouping. It's easier to do multiplication, but then when it comes to division, it gets more complex. So when we get to division of fraction, children are mind blown. Because when are they ever dealing with 3/4 of a number, half of a number? 3/4 divided by half of a number. Check us out at blackmathgenius.com. Follow us on all of our socials at Black Math Genius. Please share, like, let other people know what it is that we're doing to bring out the love of mathematics into children as well as you. So let's take a look here at this concept. Let's first remember what division is, okay? 6 divided by 3. I want to know how many of these can I get out of this? How many 3s can I get out of 6? I can get 1 3. I can get 2 3s. So this is equal to 2. Okay? Now, division of division of division, which is known as dividing fractions, right? I want to know how many of these can I get out of this? The same concept. How many halves can I get out of this? Now, from the other video, if you saw the other video, you know that this is going to be, let's just go through the procedure. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. This is going to be equal to 1 1/2. But let's look at the model for it. Let's look at the model for that. So I have 3/4. Okay, this is 1 whole. This is 1 whole. 3/4 here, 1/2 here. Notice also that I use the concept of a common denominator. We typically do that with addition and subtraction. It really helps with division as well. So here, my least common multiple, my least common denominator is 4. So I split them into 4s. So here I have 3/4. Here I have 1/2 or 2/4. I want to know how many of these can I get out of that? Well, I can get 1, you see here, okay? I can get 1 of these, but I need 2, and I only have 1 of the 2 that's needed. So I can get 1 1/2 of these out of that, okay? This is what I'm trying to get. I want to pull 2/4 at a time. Well, here I can pull this 2. I need 2, I only have 1. So I can get 1 1/2. This is the model. This is the understanding of what is meant by this. This here is understanding that division is the inverse operation of multiplication. So I can just go across like that. So 3/4 divided by 1/2 is 1 1/2. Okay? All right, there you go. Black Math Genius. Bring out the genius in yourself and your child. Make sure you follow us.